Today in Home Street we're going to be completing the story When Your Ship Comes In. You'll be able to complete this one once you've repaired the cruise ship. So the cruise ship has been repaired now, so we just need to click on it and then the captain will appear. He says, before we set off though, let's tap on the ship to check for any jobs. And then it says, these are all the supplies and souvenirs that my passengers need. Can you help me with them before we leave port? So every so often a cruise ship will come in and there'll be jobs to complete. If you complete all the jobs before the ship leaves, then you will earn the bonus reward. So the tasks to complete are: complete 5 cruise ship jobs and send off a fully completed cruise ship. Cruise ship jobs are the same as any other job, so you can see on this one we've got vegetables, cupcakes and garlic bread. You need to make the amount that's stated on the picture before you can complete that job. So we need 8 vegetables times by 3, 8 cupcakes times by 3 and 3 garlic bread times by 2. So we're going to start off and collect some funds so we can make some cupcakes. And we're going to put on some vegetables. And then when we come back to collect those, we just need to keep making some more until we've got enough to complete the 8 cupcakes and the 8 vegetables jobs. Once you have the amount you need, click on the cruise ship and click on the job you can complete. It will tell you how many you have of those, so we have 8 out of 8 vegetables, so we can click on the tick to complete this job. We also have enough cupcakes, so we can complete that job as well. Unfortunately, I didn't get very far on that cruise ship because I had to do something else that day. So I had to start again with a new cruise ship when that came in. And this one has 8 cupcakes times 3, 8 flowers times 3, and then 2 sausages. Those ones are separate. So to make sausages you need meat, which you can get from the fridge. That will take 10 minutes to prepare, and then you can put it on the barbecue and make some sausages. So we still need some more cupcakes before we can complete the first one of those. We only have 3 currently. I'm going to collect those flowers there and put on some more flowers. Those cupcakes and flowers are now ready. Let's collect those and put some more on. I think we have enough cupcakes now to complete the first job on this cruise ship. And we do, so we're going to click the green tick to complete that. Let's collect some more creativity and fun. Oh, and there's some meat ready and also some sausages, so we can collect the meat and the sausages and then put the other meat on the barbecue to make some more sausages. We can now complete a flower job, so we're going to do that. And also a sausages one. We also have some more sausages to collect, so we're going to do that and complete the last sausages job. So we've got 4 jobs to go now. We've got 8 cupcakes times 2 and 8 flowers times 2. But we've completed the first task of completing 5 cruise ship jobs. We just need to send off a fully completed cruise ship now. I'm not going to bore you with me collecting 16 cupcakes and 16 flowers, as I think you know how to do it by now. So we're just going to skip ahead to completing the last job on the cruise ship, which is the 8 flowers. Once you click on the green tick on the last job, at the bottom a green bar will appear that says complete now with a tick. So click this to send off that cruise ship. and earn the cruise ship completion bonus, which in this case is 39 experience points, 39 coins and 1 silver token. And the cruise ship will leave and the task will be complete. So head back to the task tab, click complete to collect your reward. Click on the buoy where the cruise ship was to see when the next cruise ship will be coming in. It is usually every 8 hours. If you found this video helpful, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. I post Home Street videos weekly. You can find all my previous Home Street videos in my Home Street video playlist. Thanks for watching. Bye.